Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. What an awesome trade here, guys. QS. Two places it came from. It came from our AI right here at 783 was the alert at 9:53 Eastern Time. And it also came from my favorite scan, and there were some tremendous alerts in this scan. I'm just going to go over the QS at 788, okay, a couple of pennies less or later. And so this was an awesome trade, guys. Why I found it really interesting is because it had some news. It's an EV play. It had some, obviously, some good news. This has 349 million shares in the float. For a stock to be up 45% with that float is incredible. It truly is incredible. And to really get the magnitude of where it could go, we're not saying it's going there, but look at the, got to back the weekly chart out just a little bit. Come on. There we go. Look at this weekly chart. Look left here, 1383. Sorry, we have to get, just give me a moment. There we go. There's the current price right there. Look left on that weekly chart. I'm not saying it's going to get up here, but look at the amount of room it's got. Now, there was a high at around 967, I think, on the daily. You can't see it here. If it takes that out, look out. And I'll make it back in. I'm not in this anymore, but I make it back in. Anyway, that was the awesome trade from our AI and also my combo scan. See you tomorrow, everybody.